Okay. All right, next one we're going to look at is sand and water. So here I have some sand water. Okay. I'm going to use my heavy stirring rod. Okay, and I'm going to stir it up. Okay. Make sure it's nice and stirred. Ooh, yeah. Awesome. Sand and water. Okay. Wonderful. So here we go. I'll stir it up. Okay, so we're looking at our sand and water right here. So put in your clickers. Is it A, colloid, B, solution, or C, suspension? Okay, go. Go for it. Okay, I want to know. What do you think? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blammo. Okay, 61% of us say C. Okay, what are some tests we can do? What is it, one?
You could stir it up and see if I said answer B because
I don't. What's the test we can do?
Mix it and see if it settles.
Okay. So, is it starting to settle? Can you see the sand on the bottom right here? Is it already starting to settle out at the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it does settle out. Wonderful. Okay. What else can we do? Does it filter? Okay. So here we go. Could we use this filter? You think? No, because we already know that the sand went through on our last one. Okay, so we're going to use this one. This is like a coffee filter. Okay, so we're going to fold it up. Okay, bam, bam, bam. Get a funnel. Okay, and then we're going to pour some of that murky water in. What should happen?
The water should go through.
The water should go through, and what should be left behind? The sand. Okay. All right, we'll just do just a little bit. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay, now I'm gonna give you guys a little clue. Okay, if something settles out on its own, do you think it's gonna get caught in a filter? Yeah, most likely. Okay, but we'll still test it. Okay, what are some other tests that we can do? Yes? Does it scatter or spread light? Okay, so here we go. Let's see. You guys see that?
Oh my gosh, stop.
Okay.
That's cool.
Okay. See the red line?
Wow.
Nice.
That is cool.
Okay. Alright, here I'll come around and show you. Okay, you can see. Okay, so does it scatter light? Yes. Okay. Alright, there we go. Okay, get in here nice. You see that, Professor Mullen?
Yes.
Nice. Whoa. Okay. Is the sand and water, is it homogeneous or heterogeneous? We know that it's a suspension. So is it homogeneous or heterogeneous? So put that in your clicker. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blammo. Ooh, 83% of us say heterogeneous. What does that prefix hetero mean, everybody?
Different.
Different. So here we go. We have thank you from Mother Nature. She's going to give us some air to work with. So everybody look around. You see the air?
No, you don't see the air.
Alright, so, okay, when we go here, do we see the dot on the screen? Okay, there it is. Okay? Alright, so we're looking at the air. So I want to know, is it an A, colloid, B, solution, C, suspension? So it looks like almost 50-50 for colloid or suspension, solution. So let's go through our tests. Okay, who can give me a test? What can we do? Yes, Mr. Boss.
We already checked to see if it can filter light.
Okay, does it scatter light? No. Okay, it goes right through. So colloid, solution, which one scatters light? One of them does, one of them doesn't. Does it scatter light? No. Solution. So it's a solution, right? Okay? It doesn't look like it's, you can't see the different parts. Okay? So this is a solution, air is solution. Air has other things in it, right? It has oxygen. Is that it? It's only oxygen?
Nitrogen.
No. Nitrogen, carbon, things like that. It's got lots of stuff up there. Okay, so what I want to know now, okay, so that means that solution B is the correct answer. Is it homogeneous or heterogeneous? Okay, so now we have Jello. Okay, so here we go, red Jello. Okay, what do you think? Is this A colloid, B solution, or C suspension? Okay. Okay, so we 100% say colloid. Okay, what are some tests we can do? Professor Horace. The light. Okay, so let's look. You see? Okay. All right. Let's look on here because this might help. Okay. So here's the Jello. Can you see it going through?
Yeah. Ooh, that's cool.
It looks like there's a tube inside of it.
Even though it's red, you can
So it
see
scatters the
the
light.
red.
So it does scatter light. Okay. So let's go over here, Professor Mullen. Okay. Can you see the different parts? No. Okay, so no, we'll go this way. Does it scatter light? Yes. So what is it? A colloid. Good job. Same question again. Colloids, are they E, homogeneous, or F, heterogeneous? So we had homogeneous. Let's look at the gel. Does it look like it's one thing? Yes. Is it really one thing? No, it's multiple things. There's like, hoods and color. Yeah, stuff like that in there, okay? So there's more than one thing, but it looks like it's one, so that makes it homogeneous. Prefix homo means the same. Next question, okay, I have some milk here, so I want to know, is milk a solution, suspension, or colloid? Here we go, this is milk. What are some tests we can do? What's one, Professor Lamar?
Filter.
Filter it, wonderful, I love that, let's try that, okay? So I take my filter, bam, okay, what else? What's another one we can do? Yes, Professor, Pandit? Pandit. Does it scatter light? Okay, so let's do that. We can do that one pretty quickly. Okay? So, here we go. So I'll put this in here. I'll use a different one. Oh, this is a different one to make sure that it stays clean. Okay, open this up. Pour some milk in here. Okay, give it a little bit of time, maybe some more. Okay, when we do this. Okay, alright, there we go. So wait, up here, there's a dot. We all see it?
Yes.
Let's see if it scatters. Okay, does it scatter?
Yes.
Yes. Okay? So if we put it all the way down, it doesn't come through. It's stopping. The milk is stopping it or scattering the light.
So
Okay?
good like that.
Yep. Now we look in here. Okay? What's coming out of the bottom? Does that look like milk? Still have the color, things like that. So most likely it's still milk. Okay? We'll let it keep going. But I'll tell you that I've done this 3 times today. That when it gets done, there's going to be nothing on the top of the filter. It just goes right through. Okay? So it can actually go through. So, can we see the different parts? No. Does it scatter light?
Yes.
Yes. So what is it? Colloid. Does it go through a filter? Yes, because solutions and colloids both go through filters. So that one doesn't. So the correct answer here is colloid, which is A. Alright. Okay. Is this homogeneous or heterogeneous? Put the answer in your yes. Look, is A homogeneous? Does this look like it's one thing? Yes, that's what homogeneous means, right, Professor Schultz? Homogeneous, one thing. So if it looks like it's one thing, not if it is one thing, but if it looks like it. Okay. Snow globe. Okay, here's my snow globe. So what do you think? Okay, I'll even shake it up for you. Okay, and put the music on to help you guys think of what the answer is. Okay. So A, colloid. B, solution. C, suspension. Go. What are some tests we can do to figure out what this is? What's one? Filter. Okay, I'm not going to break it. I'm so unfortunately, it's my daughter. She's only 2, so she probably forget, but it's still kind of mean. So, now, just by looking at it, do you think these parts are going to get caught in a filter? Yeah. We've done water a couple times. It's going to go through. What else, Professor Voss? Okay, look at it. We look at it and see different parts, right? So if I can look at it and see different parts, what happens? That means it's a suspension. Okay, what else? Scatter light. Okay, so if I just put it through the top, okay, can you see how the light, when the snow particles go through, you can see the light scattering? You see that?
Yeah.
But it kind of just goes right through the water?
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Okay, wonderful. What else? There's one other thing I think that's really super awesome by this snow globe. Why do I have to keep shaking it? Professor Lamar? Because the particles keep settling out, so I have to keep shaking it to make it so it's nice. Right here I have salt water, which I actually made first hour, so it's a little bit already dissolved, things like that. Okay, but I'm going to add some salt in it just to show you, so you guys know that I'm not lying. Okay, so here's some salt water, and I'm going to add a little bit more salt into it. Okay, yeah, that's good stuff. Okay, take my stirring rod, stir it up. Okay. And then I want to know, is this a solution, suspension, or colloid? Okay. Some tests we can do to test this. Yes, what?
Scatter light.
Does it scatter light? So let's send some light through it. Okay? Let's move this bad boy out of the way. Okay, so here's some light. Okay? So does it scatter light?
Slows it down.
Okay? Does it? Not really. Okay? I told you I add a little bit of water, or salt, so the salt is still dissolving a little bit. If you notice, now, is it really scattering any light at all? It did a little bit when we first started, but now that they're dissolving, they're starting to go away. Okay? What else can we do? So it doesn't scatter light. No, you told us the last one. Someone else, help us out here. Professor Ross.
Filter.
Does it filter? Okay, wonderful. Let's try it. Okay? Does it look like 2 different substances, you guys think? No. Okay, it does not look like two different substances. Okay. What else? Anyone else? Yes, Professor Jones. Does it settle? Okay. So if I look at this, is the salt settling? No, it's dissolved. I can't even see it anymore. Okay. All right. So let's try the filter while you put in. So it's going through the filter. Okay. It did not scatter light. It looked like one substance. So what would that make it? Everybody? Solution. Okay. Because solutions do all of those things. Okay. So last question. Is solutions or salt water, would that be homogeneous or heterogeneous? So let's be slam them, okay? Homogeneous, what does that prefix homo mean, everybody? Same. So it looks the same. This looks like the same substance throughout, okay? Obviously, there's just some examples, but if you need some other ones, we can talk about them. Okay, thank you.